Hi there, how are you today? If we haven't met before, my name's Patricia. I'm the owner of Llandere Jewelry. So I have a quick little share. I was out at Dollarama in Winnipeg shopping, and look what I found. $5. What it is, it has these little metal hoops that you can hang your jewelry from. So I thought that was a great deal, and I'll show you. What I have all my chains for when I do my permanent jewelry. I hang them on here. All you have to do is use a little, can you see that? A little push pin to open those little loops. And I found these little, look like, you know, when you hang your shower curtain, but they're itty bitty minis. I found these at a dollar store also. I don't remember which one. I have my trying the autofocus on my camera. I haven't used the camera a lot, so. But also I have this to share with you. I found. I forgot how much it is at Dollarama for rings. So if you have markets, you do. Great price. Then, I don't know if anybody came up with this idea or not, but I was thinking these always get mumble jumbled in the suitcase I carry. So I picked up this Glad press and seal, and it sticks on to itself like crazy. So say you have some rings stuck in there, just put, I tore a piece off already, and just stick it on here. And it's like, sticks like Velcro. And then they're not going to get all, if they fall off, they'll stay in here. Got this big piece here. Tight, and then sort of push it down. This jewelry holder has like a convex, yeah, it would be concave or convex this way, and it's like a bump. So what it does is you can just rub your hands across it, and it locks them in there, so they're not flopping and flipping in the suitcase. So if you found this little tip handy, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will be putting videos on me doing my silversmithing. I have some projects I've been drawing and thinking about, and those are coming. It's just that I've been really busy, as most of you have who have businesses in Canada and use Canada Post for shipping. You have to find an alternate, and I've been searching. So I finally sent out some test mail to some friends, and one in Canada, one in the States, to see how it turned out. So we'll see. I can get back on with business. Okay, bye.